Hi everyone. I'm Jelen, and I'm excited to guide you through navigating the app today. I'll walk you through its key features step by step, so stay with me, and let's explore together. Let's get started. For the incentive dashboard, you can monitor the performance of the dealer. It is located in the dashboard, and once you click on it, you can view your total performance as well as the performance of those under you. And you can filter your performance what year and what month by clicking the filter below the incentive dashboard text. As you can see, there are 3 tabs in the incentives dashboard: sales, reach, and range. You can click on these tabs to view different performance metrics. Additionally, when you click on Happy Dealer Sales, you can see detailed performance insights. When you click on the Reach tab, you'll see the buying achievement matrix. You can filter the data by clicking View Details. Once you click on View Details, you'll be able to see your buying and non-buying happy stores. Next is the CAPCON section, which is under the Reach tab. To access it, scroll down and look for Asset Scanning. Once you find it, click View Details, and you'll be able to see the scanned and not scanned cabinets. Next is the Assortment section, which is located under the Range tab. When you find Assortment, click View Details to access the assortment details. This section provides data on the number of buying happy stores, along with legends that indicate SKUs that need to be ordered to reach the target. The lock icon indicates that the target has not been met. When it changes to an unlock icon, it means the happy dealer has reached the target and will be eligible to receive incentives. I hope you learned something and enjoyed it.